We are at Hobby Lobby right now, and I am so excited to get in there because number one, all the fall decor is 40% off. And number two, I want to see what items are worth the hype for fall decor. I'm just pumped about it. And you're gonna want to make sure you stick around till the end because we're gonna narrow down everything to see what the final piece is that's going to be the winner of all. So be sure to stick around and see if you agree with me on it. Okay, they have some placemats here. I love these too, these little pumpkin print ones. These are originally $8.49, but right now, like I mentioned before, everything is 40% off. So $8.99, it's like $5.30. So probably around between the high upper 40s and low 5. But that is a good price for these little placemats, and they have so many options. I also love these. These are only $6.49. So gosh, those are only like $4. I love these. I will say when I see like placemats out, I do love the round the best because I just feel like if you have round plates, they look really, really good when it comes to like place settings. All right, these little plates right here that says "Let the stuffing begin" are so cute. So you can put little stuffing in there. These are originally $16.99. I found these adorable pumpkin platters, and they are on sale for less than $20. I think the original price is $31.99. So really, really cute. I love the natural aesthetic. You guys know that about me. So I am naturally drawn to things that I can pair with for like longer seasons. So, if it's not too much orange, then I can usually get another like month out of my fall decor. I'm so drawn to these glasses. So they're $6.19, but I believe, yeah, so they're only or $6.99. So they're like $4.19 after the 40% off. $4.19 per glass. That's pretty good. This Hobby Lobby doesn't look like they have like a ton in stock, but honestly, like if they had I would say 8 of these, I'd probably buy them today because this is such a beautiful glass. I love the riveting on this and like all of the little bubbles at the bottom. And then they have like lines at the top. Very, very gorgeous. And you can actually use this for, multiple seasons. I feel like this is a very all year round glass, even if you wanted. I also had these glasses, but I don't think I'm really as into them, and they are more expensive. These are $8.49. I feel like these are more like goblet looking to me. Definitely more stuff going on, and I'm more of a more simplistic girl. I like a little fun detail, but not too overpowering. This one feels overpowering. You'll have to let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this one. Is it too much, or do you actually really love it? And I could be completely off here, but just feels a little bit much for me. Definitely want to stock up on these. These are $1.99. They're pumpkin spice scented sachets. I don't see any other scents, but it smells really, really good. And they're $1.99 originally, so you're only paying $1.19 per sachet. That's a fantastic price, and your whole house will smell so good and so like fall. Definitely grabbing like 3 of these because I'm going to spread these throughout the house. You cannot go wrong with buying ahead on these battery operated tea light candles. I love these because they're low fire risk, right? They're battery operated. So I feel like you're not as at risk of getting, having a fire throughout your house. And with kids, it's certainly important not to do that. But these are originally $14.99 and they are on sale for $8.99. So you're getting quite a few for that price. All my baking friends that love to bake for others at Thanksgiving, this is the time to stock up because these are originally $6.49 and then these are 40% off too. So you can fill these up with candies, give them out to neighbors, friends, you name it. Or if somebody's hosting Thanksgiving, you can bring a little sweet treat in one of these. I just love, love, love this idea. So if you are gift giving, these boxes are absolutely stunning. Like, look how gorgeous these boxes are. And then these ones right here, $11.99 originally, but you're paying 40% off of that. So man, that is a really, really good price for one of these fancy boxes to put a gift in. Pictures are beautiful. They are $14.99 originally, but on sale for $8.99. And you can see the frame and the print on this is so gorgeous. It's very neutral, so it's not going to be super bright. definitely my style, but I love the price point on this one. If you guys watched my last Kohl's video, you would see that this was like, gosh, I want to say like over $20 or something like that. This one is 40% off, $7.49, so it's less than $5. It is absolutely stunning, and I love this root beer glass. It is just so beautiful, and you can have it up all year round. I love this dark moody brown. It is truly a gorgeous piece to bring into every season. I love actually using these for stems. I think this would make a great stem base if you put like a piece of styrofoam in here and put some stems in. This is originally $7.99, which would make this now, let's see, $4.79. So a great price. They have a couple of different sizes, which is really kind of cool. This one's $9.99, so a little bit bigger. And then so with the sale, it's now $5.99. So some really great prices. And then they even have a bigger one, I bet you. Let's see. Yep, $13.99. And then on sale, so it's going to be about $8. Still a really, really great price. Of their garland is on sale as well. I think these are so fun. So they have like the mushroom garland. You can kind of see the beaded garlands. They have this little pumpkin knitted sweater. I know a lot of you guys find me through shopping videos. So if you don't already, be sure to follow me on my LTK. It's down in my description. You're gonna wanna go there and click because I have so many deals that I share from Target, Walmart, all the different stores. And I want you to be able to shop them at the best affordable prices. So be sure to check that out. In both white and orange. And then they also have this wooden one. So this one's really cool. It's probably my most favorite. It's the wooden one. The only concern I have is, are these going to spin and rest the way you want? Like, hopefully they still would. They also have this bow one, which is kind of fun. And then these are really fun because you could add stuff to these. Garlands are anywhere from $6.99 for these wooden ones to $10.99 for these like more sweater material ones, and then $9.99 for these mushroom, and $7.99 for the beaded ones. So you're getting 40% off of all of those prices, which are fantastic. Okay, these are rather cool. This looks like basket weave, but it's actually kind of like plastic. It totally looks like real weave though. It's $10.99. So that would put it anywhere from between $5 and $7. So that's somewhere in between there. Pretty good price. I really like this. This is very unique, and you can piece it together with some other wooden pieces here. I love this pumpkin as well. This is so cute. This one's $12.99. So then it's on sale for $7.79. So that's a really good price for that one too. These are actually going to be going home with me. These are originally $21.99 on sale. They're 40% off of that. So these are really cute. They're gonna be that cream and brown color, and I am looking to replace my ones that I have that are like this. So I'm gonna get rid of these and pick these up because I think these will aesthetically go with my new decor. And the nice thing about these two is that these are microwavable and dishwasher safe. That is like one of the checks you have to have when you buy a coffee mug, in my opinion. Okay, I have this wreath over my front door and I paid full price for it. This is actually originally $62, but this one is going to be 40% off. So you're getting one heck of a deal. You can fluff this too. I feel like the way that it looks right now, it kind of looks like how it was probably packaged, which is going to be kind of clumped together. They also have this really nice like overhanging one. And again, they're all 40% off. This one right here is originally $83, but let me just show you. Look how absolutely stunning this is. So it's 40% off, so you're gonna pay around $50 for this. Totally worth it. Baskets are so beautiful. They're originally $15.99 and are on sale as well. But I love them. They're gonna have that hard wire at the top, and it is gonna be more collapsible in the middle. But these are so nice. I really think these would be pretty to even set out with, like, if you have a dog, you could put dog toys in here. You can put like baby toys. It just makes it look more fallish in your home. Is this pumpkin punch bowl? It is originally $34, so you're getting it 40% off, and it would look so cute with some orange juice or even like orange punch in here of some sort, like some high C. think this is so fun for Thanksgiving just to have out aesthetically for people to come grab their glass of whatever. Curious, are we doing Halloween trees now? I want to know in the comments below. Is anyone doing these? I have never yet done a Halloween tree. We don't do trees for like all the different holidays. I only put up my Christmas tree for Christmas, but I'm curious how many people put up a Christmas tree and then decorate it for different holidays. This is a fun filler box. You can put this in a bowl, like decorate it, display it in a bowl, or you can even put it in like one of those empty lanterns. But this is originally $11.99 and then 40% off. You're probably looking at like $6, $7. Originally $57, I believe. Yeah, $57, but then they're on sale for like 35-ish. I think these are really gorgeous. You can put candles, and then this is a great centerpiece for 35 bucks. I feel like that's not bad. You have to let me know in the comments below if you think that's a good price point. But honestly, for a nice centerpiece, which I think these are really gorgeous, honestly. I love the feathering detail and the leaves. Just really, really pretty. Well, eucalyptus wreaths are so stunning as well. They feel so real. I can't even explain to you how real these stems feel. And they're $13.99 originally. They are 20 or 40% off. But look at the flexibility on these, just gorgeous. And then I actually really like this too. These are $9.99 originally and 40% off. This is still by far my favorite print ever that I've seen at Hobby Lobby for fall. And it just has a beautiful like fieldscape of pumpkins and trees. And it normally is $36. So it's actually only 40% off of that. For size, it's 30 by 20 inches. Two pumpkins are originally $24.99 and they are 40% off. I love these two colors together. They're not too bright or bold for fall, in my opinion. I really like the more muted. This is more of that brownish colored glass, and this has just a slightly tinted orange colored glass. So very, very gorgeous pieces here. Of stems here is absolutely wild was what they have for fall. These are actually some of my favorites. Right down here, these look so real. Look how gorgeous these are. These are beautiful. I love that darker brown orange color. So gorgeous. They have just so many different varieties and you can mix and match. They have reds, oranges, yellows, you name it, whites, creams. And then if you're a bright orange girl, there also is a lot of bright orange as well. So lots of different options here. Guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. It helps my channel out so much if you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment your favorite item of this video. I always love hearing what you really enjoyed.